Anyway, we start the class now. And my dear all audience, hi. Are you looking at me? I hope yes. Wherever you guys are, I think you must be very fine. I'm Farooq Azam speaking from OXBRIDGE Talks. And I'm here with a new video. And in this video especially, once again, we will have conversation. There will be my two students, boys, coming from one group. One boy will come here. And from this group, one boy will come here. And I'll make them something and they are going to talk. But dear all, audience I'm talking, YouTube audience I'm talking especially. This video is going to be very helpful for you, as most of you are in the mood and especially interested to learn how to speak. As normally I remind you daily, to learn how to speak, the most important work is what? Listening. Am I right? To learn how to speak any language of the world, not only English but also all the languages of the world. If you are interested to learn, two works are there that we need to do, and if we do really with the interest on daily basis, there is a guarantee we must learn. And the first one is listen. The first one is to listening or listen, you can say, or second one is to speak. So second one, so I was talking, if you are really listening with the interest and trying to talk with the friends, with the guarantee, I confirm it, you must learn how to talk in English. And how important English is to learn, you better know more than me also. You want to come, Karan? No problem, come. Karan is interested, so no problem. Audience, I finally got Karan, and Arjun will also come then. Karan has come. Arjun will also. You don't know Karan, Arjun? Yes. Yeah, then. So I have finally Karan. He has decided. Karan. Yeah. Exactly. Well, he's my Karan, very new student, has just got admissions. I'll help him to learn how to speak. The video is recorded also for you because you can also learn. Fine. So I have got Karan, right? And Arjun is where? From the movie Karan and Arjun, do you know? Karan was hero there, na? He was Salman Khan and he was Shah Rukh Khan. But Karan was Shah Rukh or Salman? Karan has come, then Arjun will also come. Yeah, Shah Rukh Khan was Karan. Because Shah Rukh Khan had come before, and then Arjun had come, Mr. Salman. So anyone would like to come with him to talk? With your own choice. Anyone can come. You want to come? Oi, sound comes through the mouth, not through the neck. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stand up. Come here. My dear audience, have patience. He's dancing. No, I'll not come like that because the stage is there. Come here. Come here. Stand up. Stand up. Come. Yeah, well. So, very good. Come. Yes. I got finally Mr. Karan Kumar, and he's my student. He has recently joined. Today, however, he will speak. I give you guarantee in the coming time, you will listen his speech. He will speak very good also. Right, Karan?
Yes, sir.
Confidence you have?
Yes, sir.
Great. I'm happy with Karan. And Mr. Rahmatullah. And he, both are going to talk today. And the topic is especially for today for conversation. Karan and Mr. Rahmatullah, both are brothers. Both are brothers. And Rahmatullah is elder brother. I hope you are senior also. In which class do you read?
12.
He reads in 12th class and you?
I have passed graduation.
Oh my God. Karan, who is standing right of me, I was thinking about Karan. The way he looks very cute actually. I was thinking he may be of junior to Mr. Rahmat. He is already graduate. So Karan is already graduate. So Karan is elder brother and Mr. Arjun. Original name is, he has original name Karan, but he has original name Rahmatullah, but I have given him Arjun here. Kiran and Arjun are going to talk. Audience, please. So Rahmatullah is going to be the younger brother. You know, younger brother, छोटा भाई, and his elder brother, बड़ा भाई. ठीक है. And आपको एक सेल फोन चाहिए. क्या चाहिए? आपने भाई को कहो मेरे भाई आप मुझे एक फोन दिलवा दो, और आपकी मर्जी दिलवाओ या डांट के भगा दो, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, दो या मत दो. ठीक है. गलत करने का हक है. ऑडियंस से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, वो क्या सोचेगा, हम लोग कैसे बात करते हैं, हमारा स्टूडेंट सिखा रहे हैं ना, वो भी सीख रहा है. छोटी छोटी बात को तोड़ तोड़ के आराम आराम से बात करें. ठीक है. फोन चाहिए. क्या चाहिए? फोन चाहिए. एंड ये माइक भी हमारे हाथ में यहाँ चाहिए, ताकि आवाज हम बराबर से कभी इधर कर पाए और कभी इधर कर पाए, है ना. ठीक है. So I have my student Karan as a senior brother, and I have my student Mr. Rahmatullah as a younger brother, elder and younger. Action.
Hello,
Talk
bro.
with the sound.
Hello, bro.
Hello.
Speak loudly.
You are sad. You are very sad today.
Wow, great. Repeat again.
You are very sad today.
क्यों?
Why?
Why? Why?
Why?
Wait. Brother is very good. A brother came to tell. Before he said, he is asking to his brother, you are very sad today. Why? Why? Why are you sad? Yeah? Come this side. Don't be far, huh? Now, why are you sad? Rahmatullah, why are you sad? भाई मैं उदास नहीं हूँ, लेकिन भाई मैं उदास नहीं हूँ.
भाई
ब्रो,
bro.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं. आई टोल्ड यू, नया स्टूडेंट है हमारा, अभी 4 दिन हुआ एडमिशन को, है ना. ठीक है. या कब ठीक है.
Bro,
मैं उदास नहीं हूँ.
I am not sad.
रिपीट.
I am not
आई
sad.
एम नॉट सैड.
I am not sad.
फिर क्या तुम्हें कुछ काम है मुझसे? क्या तुम्हें काम है? ऑडियंस, नए लोग हैं, अब आराम से सुनो. ठीक है. जरूरी उसको बताना लगे कैसे बात कर रहे हैं, अभी सिखा रहे हैं ना. क्या तुम्हें कोई काम है मुझसे?
Are you?
डू यू
Do you?
हैव
Do you have
एनी वर्क
any work
विथ मी?
with me?
जी भाई.
Yes,
ब्रो.
bro.
व्हाई यू गो बैक साइड? हाँ, सॉरी. यस.
Yes, bro. I need a new cell phone.
आप मुझे दिलवा दो.
You give me.
यू बाय मी
You buy me
अ सेल्फ.
a cell phone.
Why need?
रिपीट.
Why need?
Why do you need
Why do you need
a cell phone?
a cell phone?
And
And
मैंने तुमको पिछले महीना एक फोन खरीद के ऑलरेडी दिया हूँ. मैं दिया हूँ. कैसे बोलेंगे? मैं दिया हूँ.
I have
आई हैव गिवन.
given.
बेहतरी है ना. चलो.
I have given
यू
you.
स्पीक लाउडली.
I have given you
अ
a
न्यू फोन
new phone
लास्ट मंथ.
last month.
वह फोन तुम्हारा कहाँ है? कैसे बोलेंगे? वह फोन तुम्हारा कहाँ है? वेयर इज योर दैट फोन? वेयर इज योर दैट फोन?
Where that phone?
भाई वो सिंपल फोन है.
Bro,
दिस इज,
this is simple phone.
वो मेरे पास है लेकिन ठीक नहीं है. आई हैव दैट,
I have that,
बट
but
ये सही से काम नहीं कर रहा. हेलो,
this is not good working.
दिस इज नॉट वर्किंग
This is not working
प्रॉपरली.
properly.
ओके.
Okay.
चलो ठीक है. नो प्रॉब्लम.
No problem.
मैं तुमको एक फोन खरीद दूंगा. आई विल
I will
Buy
buy a
फोन.
phone.
कब?
When?
अगले महीना.
Next month.
साउंड.
Next month.
नेक्स्ट मंथ. इट्स ओके. नेक्स्ट
month.
मंथ. इस महीने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है? क्या है प्रॉब्लम?
What is problem this month?
व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम
What is the problem
इन
in
दिस
this month?
मंथ?
I have no
टाइम
I have no time
टू गो
to
टू बाय यू.
to buy you.
I have no time to go with you to buy
You
you
this month.
this month. भाई आपको मेरे साथ जाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Bro,
You
you
need
need
not to come
not to come
with me.
with me.
Hello, look at here. आप मुझे not yes phone put in the pocket. You are wasting the time. Don't feel recording is going on. If they are speaking, then their job is not there. You are enjoying there. No, it's for all. You look at, you listen how sentences are going to be designed, right? Yes. आप मुझे पैसा दीजिए, मैं खरीद लूंगा.
You give me
Money.
and
मैं खरीद लूंगा.
I buy.
I will.
I will
Buy.
buy.
ठीक है. अगर तुमको लगता है तुम खरीद सकते हो, अगर तुमको लगता है, अगर चलो कारण हाँ अगर
if you
उस्मान मोबाइल पुट इन द पॉकेट. हाँ अगर तुमको लगता है,
if you
इफ यू फील,
feel
तुम खरीद सकते हो,
you
कैन
can
बाय
you can buy a phone.
अ फोन. मैं तुम्हें पैसा देता हूँ. आई गिव यू मनी.
I give you money,
लेकिन
but
अकेले मत जाना. तुम मत जाना अकेले.
do not
यू डोंट
you don't
गो
go
Alone.
Go alone.
भाभी के साथ चला जाना. अरे तुम भाभी के नाम पे हंस क्यों रहे? भाभी कोई खिलौना है? अरे नो, I 1 minute ऑडियंस प्लीज. हाँ, आई जस्ट सेड सिस्टर अल्लाह भाभी. ही इज लाफिंग. भाभी हंस रही क्यों चूजे? अरे मेरे पास भाभी नहीं है. मेरे पास खुद की डायरेक्ट अपनी वाइफ है. वह भी नहीं है क्योंकि मेरे बड़े भाई नहीं, मैं ही बड़ा भाई हूँ. दूसरे के कितने को भाभी बना के रखा हूँ मैं. मेरी जब शादी नहीं हुई थी, सब बड़े बड़े भाई को चुन चुन के उसके वाइफ को बात करते थे भाभी है. इन माई चाइल्डहुड. एनीथिंग रॉन्ग? इट्स अ रिलेशन. हाँ,
You go to
you go with sister in law.
you go
With
sister-in-law.
sister-in-law. Repeat.
Sister, you go to
You took not. You go
with sister-in-law.
sister-in-law. मुझे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है,
I have no problem.
लेकिन
But
अब भाभी को बोल दीजिएगा जो पसंद मुझे आएगा वही खरीदूंगा. वो मना नहीं करेगी मुझे.
you tell me,
You tell sister-in-law.
you tell sister-in-law,
जो फोन मुझे पसंद आएगा, the phone
the phone
which I will like,
I will like,
मैं खरीदूंगा.
I buy.
मैं गा
I
खरीद.
will buy.
I'll.
I will buy.
ठीक है.
It's okay.
कितना पैसा दूं?
How much money
How much money?
do I give?
अरे आधा मैं आधा तुम. फिर दोनों.
How much money
Do I
do I
give you? आप मुझे 25,000 रुपया दे दो.
You give me
20,000.
20,000.
Hello. What are you doing? You gave me 25,000.
25,000.
ये बोला 25,000.
20,000. 20.
Repeat.
20.
You gave me
You give me
20,000.
20.
ठीक है.
it's okay.
ये है 25,000. Take this.
Take this 25,000.
25,000. Thank you very much, bro.
Thank you very much.
आप मेरे बहुत अच्छे भाई हैं. You are my
You are
very good brother.
you are my good
Very
brother.
good brother. तुम हंस क्यों रहे हो? अच्छा, he is laughing. Karan said to take this 25,000 rupees. And he is laughing. This is hardly of 7 rupees. 8 rupees. It costs now 8 rupees.
6.2.
Don't go there, cost. When you go to buy, what is the price of
7
this?
rupees. 7 rupees.
7 rupees.
No,
Oh, okay. 10 rupees. 10 rupees. 10 rupees. 10 rupees. It's a 10 rupees.
No.
Happy now? Very good. 10 rupees. So he's thinking, my brother is giving me a pen of 8 or 7 rupees, but telling take 25 rupees. So he's laughing inside actually. That's fine, my dear audience. And if you are watching first time, now subscribe it. Huh? Okay, clap for them. Can you all clap?